Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of working from anywhere in the world? The future of work is here. In this video, we'll explore 7 high-paying remote jobs in 2025 that give you freedom, flexibility, and a great income. These aren't just side hustles. They're real careers shaping the future. Stay tuned, because number 7 might just blow your mind. Number 1. AI Prompt Engineer. With the rise of ChatGPT and AI tools, companies now hire specialists who craft the perfect prompts. These experts help businesses get accurate AI outputs, saving time and money. Skilled AI prompt engineers can earn $90,000 to $150,000 per year, all from home. As AI advances, this role keeps growing in value. Number 2. Cybersecurity Specialist. As businesses go digital, cyber threats are increasing. Remote cybersecurity specialists monitor systems, protect data, and stop hackers in their tracks. Salaries range from $100,000 to $160,000 annually. With cybercrime on the rise, companies will pay top dollar to stay secure. Number 3. Digital Marketing Manager. From social media campaigns to optimizing ads, digital marketing managers help brands grow online. This job can be done from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Average pay is $70,000 to $120,000 per year, and skilled experts can earn even more. Great marketers will always be in demand. Number 4. Data Scientist. Data is the new gold. Data scientists analyze complex data to help businesses make smarter decisions, launch better products, and predict trends. They are among the highest paid remote workers, earning $110,000 to $180,000 per year. Number 5. UX/UI designer. User experience matters more than ever. UX and UI designers create smooth, attractive digital experiences for apps and websites. Working remotely, they earn $80,000 to $130,000 per year while collaborating with global teams. Creativity and user-focused design make this role both fun and rewarding. Number 6. Remote healthcare specialist. Telehealth is booming. Doctors, therapists, and medical consultants provide online services worldwide. Depending on specialization, remote healthcare professionals can earn $90,000 to $200,000 annually. This field offers high pay and the chance to make a meaningful impact. Number 7. Blockchain Developer. With crypto, NFTs, and Web3 projects evolving, blockchain developers are in huge demand. Salaries range from $120,000 to $200,000 per year, and most roles are 100% remote. Blockchain is transforming industries from finance to gaming, creating endless opportunities. So there you have it. 7 high-paying remote jobs in 2025 that offer freedom, flexibility, and financial success. The future of work is digital, global, and full of opportunities. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more future job insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.